Hello friends, I'm going to make a 5-minute video about process while doing a video where I have no process. But I just want to make timely stuff that I'm just forcing my hand and firing out and talking about things. So the screen is probably really annoying because it's moving up and down the side, but we're going to keep going. Going back to process, like everything that I'm doing at the moment in teaching or in SEO or digital marketing, it's all process. So either I'm learning something new and it's becoming a process, or I'm repeating processes and improving them. But there's nothing in between. Like nothing should be done that you're not documenting or making simple checklists or complicated checklists for. If you don't have a checklist for it and it's not something that a process can be made of, either it's shallow work that deserves your attention later in the day when the energy levels are low, or it's just something. It's really hard not to add a process to things because there's certain things, maybe yearly occurrences that even if you do them a year later, you're so thankful for it. Like I can think of loads of different ones now, but I can't think of one. I suppose what would be timely now would be me to show a process for something on the computer. So if I just pause this is my process for creating a project. The projects will have different tasks to do within it, and obviously the project is connected to a bigger goal. So this project here is to create what I'm calling CPP in a box, content production pipeline in a box. So once I'm finished this project, I'll be literally able to give people a content production pipeline that they can do themselves. They don't need to employ an agency or an SEO. They can use it themselves. Also, agencies will be able to use this as well. So how am I creating this? Well, I have a goal outcome, and then I have all of the knowledge that I need to do this project. So I'm getting the knowledge from loads of different things. So I've got my own knowledge base, I've got my own media vault, meetings and notes and stuff like that. Roam, I love Notion, but I also love Roam Research. So I've got pages in Roam that have notes. I've my own SOPs. I've stuff from the TT SEO community, stuff that I've learned from doing CXL, and then other courses. And then I have tools, skills, and services, which are people and stuff like that might help me run the project. Then we move on to the critical few, because I can't learn everything. I can only learn certain things. So I will highlight the ones that are critical. I got that on for this one. See what books I've highlighted. Competing Against Luck, the Checklist Manifesto, obviously awesome. The 4 Disciplines of Execution, etc. So these are all going to help me perform this project. Then the project becomes a sprint. And within that there's operations, like I'm calling them tasks, but they're operations that will get it going, and then I can go in here, right, these operations need to be done, or I can create them. And then I've got some completed operations. Concepts, I don't really use these anymore, but I've just kept them. Then we go into ideas. So everything that I have picked that is relevant will come in here. So there's some tweets that are going to relate to this project in here. I can't even remember what they are. Yeah, I have a weird view here, do I? I put in a view where I can see the tweet first. Actually, don't really like that view. I'm just going to pause this and change that. No, I'm not going to change it. I don't know why I decided that view. But I suppose I can read the tweet is why I had it. So I think these will help. So Derek Gleason, if you're looking for a fun content experiment, set a word limit, make it 70% to your medium post it. Okay. So there's some tweets. Let's look at another random one. Maybe articles. Probably won't be anything here now. Yeah, Sam Underwood. So then you study these as you go on, and then you build on them. But the best part about this is, I also had this idea where, well, if you're going to do the project, 7 seconds left for 5 minutes. If you're going to do the project, you might as well write about it afterwards. So I added in this writing thing afterwards, and I've got like all these templates, so I can write about. Why isn't that coming up? Are you there? Yeah, so I can press any of these and it'll pull up like a template that I can write about one of the things. So if I press book, let's see what happens. So then I add the book name. Oh yeah, and then it's going to be like, I add the book name, and then I select the book from the media vault that are only related to this project. Place it in the knowledge base. Then then I add it to my content production pipeline or one of these, and then it'll go through a whole other process. It'll be an SOP, ideas, writing, distribution, remix, and eventually into a course. Because who doesn't have a course? I don't have a course yet, but aren't we all meant to have courses? And then I have something down there for content calendars. Yeah, content calendar then. So that's a way of making all of them connect. So yeah. Thank you.